Hi, have you ever seen this knobby, weird-looking vegetable in the produce section? If not, this is called celeriac. It's an absolute fantastic vegetable. We can do so many things with it. If you stick around, I'll show you how we do celeriac gratin today. Hi, I'm Monika Czerveniak, here with Fearless Cooking. So today we're going to do celeriac gratin, and before we're doing this with coconut milk, and you can also use milk, but we're going to infuse our milk first. I have here some oregano that I put in here. You can also use thyme. I have here a couple of star anise. I really like star anise. Ever since I lived in Vietnam, everything is a lot of star anise. And I'm going to put some sliced garlic in here. I got about 2 slices of garlic. And we're going to infuse this very slowly. Just give them a flavor here. Not putting any salt in there right now. So we're going to cook this up for about 5-10 minutes and have our cream infused. So a lot of times this green stuff, the celery, is not on it when you buy it. A lot of stores cut it off, which is a shame, but I happen to have it today, so I am going to use it later on. This knobby thing, the best thing is you cut both sides up, and then just a peeler is also good. If you have a very good peeler, just take the rind off. So you would need one of these mandolins, unless you're a very good slicer, then you just do it, just use very thin slices, about this thick, and make sure you put it in water, cold water, and something acidic, lemon juice, vinegar. I've used vinegar in here. They brown very fast, so it's better to do it. So I buttered a little pan here. That's enough for us. I sliced these up. All you have to do, don't really have to put them all in layers. We're going to press this down later on, and it's all going to be fine. You can also add some potatoes if you like. Sweet potatoes, that works well. You can add some onions in between the layers. Just about all. I'll put a few more on here. You have to be rather quick. As I mentioned, it does discolor a little bit, getting brown. Okay, I think we're just about there. Now we're taking our cream. I also put in some sage that I missed, and I'm also going to put some nutmeg in here. That'll give it a really earthy kind of aroma with this celeriac. Celeriac is extremely high in fiber, potassium, and manganese, which is very good for you. So also has vitamin A, K, and B. So it's got a lot of good stuff in it. Just taking the leaves. You can also use some other herbs if you like. I just happen to have these. Growing on the celeriac, which as I mentioned is very seldom. Okay. Give this a turn. And now we're just going to pour this on. But we're going to take out the star anise. You don't want to chew on that. Not so good. And then we're pressing this down and finish this off. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for about half an hour. I'm going to cover it with foil. And then after half an hour, we're opening it up. And we're going to add some cheese on it. And that is optional for you, of course. And that would be all the preparation that you have to do for this beautiful dish. As I mentioned, you can layer it with onions or other root vegetable. Works really well. So half an hour in the oven, and then we'll come back and we'll show you the finished products. So we've had this in the oven now for about 30 minutes. I'm going to see how nicely this is. You just take your knife, poke it a little bit, and you know how soft it is. But I would like a lot of cheese on it. Now, you don't have to have a lot of cheese on it. You can put breadcrumbs on it. That would be fine too. But we happen to like a lot of cheese. So I'm going to put this back in the oven, uncovered, for about 10-15 minutes till it gets really nice and brown. So it is in the oven for another 10 minutes, but in the meantime, you have the opportunity maybe to subscribe to our video, like, share, or comment. That would be so awesome, because then we could send our videos out more into the world, and that would be greatly appreciated. Also, if there's anything you'd like us to cook for you, just let us know down below in the comment, and we'll see what we can do. There we are. A very simple, easy, and very healthy dish for you to try. I hope you're trying it, and try something different for a change, and let me know how you're doing. In the meantime, remember to be fearless in your kitchen.